When you first receive your machine, and if the programs that you can access by pressing this button seem to be too intimidating for you, or if you cannot find the wire you would like to use in this program list, if it is some specialty wire, hard surfacing wire, or any diameter that is not in here, you also have the option to enter a manual mode by pressing this button again, and now your machine is like a classic MIG machine. Wire speed on one knob, voltage on the other knob. You can set your arc voltage anywhere from 13 to 35 volts, and your wire speed from 55 to 625 inches a minute. And you can weld just manual MIG. Manual MIG also will offer you an inductance setting, start speed and start time for your run-in speed for crisp arc initiation, burn back pinch settings, pre-flow, post-flow, the same thing that any program would offer you.